Hey guys, Matsu Patty, how are you? I hope you're doing great. It's hot here. All right, this is a collab video, so I want to thank GeeLark AI for this. So, my students at MPAI Labs are very excited about this because a lot of them have a multiple social media platform like myself. This is going to help them. It's going to automate it. You can basically, post, like, comment, generate, images, generate the video, all in one dashboard. So I am going to actually share my screen. Once again, it's only for Androids, not iOS. iOS is coming. You can actually, download this on your Android, wherever you are. It's all cloud-based, and you just manage, if you have 6 or 7 or even 8 different social media, accounts, you can do it all in one. You can also use your desktop, which I'm going to show you. So once again, once you come in, once you set up everything, this is what you're going to go to, okay? It's GeeLark AI, okay? You can come to your profile. You're going to create, your profile here. Just click on create, which, you can create different profiles and stuff like that, okay? So here you can name a team, get your group. You can do your remarks here. The proxy, setup is here. There's going to be, you definitely have to pick, your IP hosting here, the username, device information, and then just hit create. I, did a portion of mine. Okay. And then you're going to come to, your proxy list here, your library here. I'm not done with that, so I can't really show you. And then this is the most important, is your, the actual AI. It looks like this. It looks exactly like all the LLMs that you see out there. Okay. What can I, do for you today? Well, that's very good. So if you want to create image to video, it is using DeepSeek, which is amazing, by the way. Text to video, remember image to video, generate image here. They're using the, when you generate, is using the Nano Banana Pro. Wonderful. If you want to automate, okay, all your social media platform, like I have 8 different platforms that I have to do, and I'm always on my phone, constantly just switching, changing. It's like really, a bad way of doing this, but this right here will automate me in one what you call it, onboard right here, dashboard. So you can do your TikTok, you can do your carousel, you can post on your Facebook. I have like 3, 4 Facebook accounts. You can publish YouTube shorts. This is all in one. Hello, this is amazing. You can post reels on Instagram. You can publish videos on Reddit. And if you don't know anything, or you're having difficulty, ask, how do I change this? How do I use, the RPA? How do I configure a proxy? What plan do I have? I think they're running a special of a free plan that's happening right now. So there'll be a link below for that. Okay. Then they have the analytics. You have different applications here. You can go here. Okay. If you notice, this is all the, different platforms that you can use. Okay. And just kind of peruse down once again, which is really great. Most of us here, in the US, we have TikTok. There's 2 difference. There's TikTok Asia and then TikTok Global, most likely. This is us. Instagram, Facebook, they have different ones. Just go in there. Whatever account that you have, you can actually automate. Okay. And then the automation is here. You can do TikTok posting, shorts once again. You can do reels. You can publish on Reddit. I do have like 2 accounts there. And then this is all the templates that they have. And you can peruse, if you notice, there's 4 different pages. So, go on and come on here and definitely check that out. Once again, there'll be a link below so you can sign up for free. Okay. And then you can, do synchronize, this right here is an upgrade, your API. They have different resources and the referrals because, they do have a referral plan. But I wanted to actually show you this, but I'm going to switch over because I have a few things that I want to tell you because it seems a lot of information that I'm giving you, so I don't want to miss anything. If you want to scale, I do, your social media reach, this is for you, okay? Scaling is very important. You can't constantly use this phone and then use another phone. And, when you have an all one platform like Geeklark, and it's going to show you everything, okay? It is very important that you are all together because, like, for me, I am all over the place. And let's see. Another thing that I wanted to tell you is it's organic. Organic is going to be the way to, scale everything. Everybody has a problem scaling. I have a problem scaling. But if you have, a system, an AI system that can actually automate everything, wouldn't you want to use it? I would, because I'm definitely going to use that, okay? Because scaling requires websites, the social media scaling is a mess because it's always changing. But with Geeklark, it's an infrastructure that, you can actually scale and, it runs safely, it automatic task, it creates content for you, it manages your projects. It also, it actually runs on its own independent environment, okay? One for the mobile, right here. I just have to show you an Android. I cannot show you the other phone. And then the browser, which I showed you, okay? So, having it on the cloud, you can be anywhere, okay? You can be anywhere and, just check up on it, hit the like, hit the comment, and it's going to be a one-stop shop for everyone. So, another thing about the cloud phone versus a browser profile. So the cloud phones, targets mobile apps like TikTok, the Instagram, the YouTube. The browser, it does the Facebook and the Google. The cloud phone navigate only the Android, not the iOS. That's coming. The advantages is it's a high trusted, mobile signal, which is really great. Now, if you want to use the browser, it's a little bit different. So I'm feeling I'm going to be using my cloud phone a lot. Okay. Once again, it automates everything. Great if you have a large team. You can, name different teams and, make different profiles for all your team members. Once again, automation is the way for social media. So this has been a great help for me because I've been playing with it. It took a little bit for me to, figure out everything because I have a lot of social media platform and I'm constantly on there and switching back and forth. Did I do this? Did I do that? But with Geeklark, I'm going to set everything up and I'll show you, in the coming, I'll do like a part 2, a video of exactly how we're going to automate this. And it's going to save me a lot of time. Okay. Because then I can focus on other areas where I can actually scale my social media platform. So once again, this is a sponsored video. I have to tell you that by Geeklark. So if you go to GeeLark, AI, there'll be a link below. It runs, on the iOS only for now. Okay. It manages a multiple social media app accounts from one dashboard. That's very important. One dashboard, not 2 or 3 phones. Okay. It automates posting, likes, comments. You can make video. You can do images. It controls everything from, if you're going to use the desktop. And once again, it's great for content creators, social media agency, affiliate marketing, advertisers, business, doing mobile apps. That'll be me. So it actually replaced the physical phone farm. So once again, thank you very much for this collaboration. There'll be a link below, okay, for you to sign up for free. If you like this video, hit the like button. I know there's a lot of information, but this is good. You get one dashboard. Oh my God, I love that. Once again, if you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the sub button along with the bell. Also, leave me a comment. What do you think of this once you try it? Will you try it? I say yes because, everybody wants to scale their social media platform, okay? And automation, hello. And one dashboard, loving it. And that, guys, I'll see you next time. Ja, bye today.